Hola clase, here are your instructions for Tuesday, February 9th. First, we're going to start off with our warm-up. If you need your vocab, it is right above the warm-up. Our warm-up is an ordering conversation, so you're going to put this conversation in order, and you have 3 attempts. You're going to put it in order from 1 through 8, starting with a hello. There's going to be some personal information exchanged in the middle, ending with a goodbye. Your best score out of 3 will be your score. After that, we are going to learn how to say age and where we are from. So if you open up your vocab list, or if you have a paper copy, if you flip to the second page on the back of that vocab list, we have personal information here. So here is what we need. In order to ask someone where you're from, there are 2 different ways you can ask. You can say, ¿De dónde eres? Or ¿De dónde es usted? ¿De dónde eres is informal. Where are you from? ¿De dónde es usted is where are you from formal. When you want to answer, you say soy de, and you input where you're from. So I would say soy de Newark, Delaware. When you want to ask someone how old they are, in Spanish, we don't actually say how old are you, but we say how many years do you have? So it's a little bit different than how we ask in English. So we say ¿Cuántos años tienes? Is how old are you informal? Or ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? How old are you formal? And so again, those literally translate to how many years do you have? When you want to tell someone how old you are, you say tengo, the number in Spanish, años. And in English, it translates to I am this many years old. But if you translated it literally, it means I have this many years. So if I was going to give my age in Spanish, I would say tengo 28 años. So I have 28 years, or to translate it more naturally, I am 28 years old. So using that information, what you are going to do now is you're going to do this Introducciones worksheet. The first part is 4 tweets that you are going to read of people introducing themselves on Twitter. And you are going to use those tweets to fill out these boxes of personal information. So in the first 3 tweets, some of the information has been provided. In the last tweet, you have to provide all of the information. For our tweets, the information you need to give first is nombre, which is name. So you need to go through the tweets and you need to find their first name, and you're going to write it here. Next is apellido. Apellido, as you can tell here, Morales is the apellido for our first tweet. Apellido is last name. So you're going to find the last name of the person. After that is origen. Origen has been provided in our tweet number 2, which is Mexico. That means where the person is from. And then our last piece of information we need to look for is edad. Edad has been provided in tweet number 3, and it says 16 años. That's going to be our age. So when you're giving the age for everyone else, you can write it just like this and give it numerically, and then just write años afterwards. The next activity that we're doing is a video that we're going to watch in class. Since you won't be here to watch this, I'm going to post a link in today's Schoology page of me reading this script. So you can listen to that and fill out this chart as well. And instead of listening to these 6 people, you'll just listen to me pretending to be these 6 people saying my age. The last activity that you're going to do today is prepare for your speaking quiz that's going to be on Thursday. So what you're going to do is you are going to fill out that speaking quiz that I gave you yesterday. So here's everything that you need to know how to say. So all you're going to do is over here, you're going to write a script. Once you have written your script, you are going to go to Flipgrid. So you're going to click on the link here for whatever period you are, and you are going to record yourself simply